Headquartered in Bergen, New York, Liberty Pumps is a leading U.S. manufacturer of pumping products for groundwater and wastewater removal in residential and commercial applications. With a focus on innovative product design, Liberty Pumps' wide range of pump styles includes sump pumps, sewage pumps, effluent pumps, drain pumps, grinder pumps, complete pre-assembled sewage packages, and pump accessories.
Liberty Pumps is a domestic pump manufacturer for wastewater, dirty water kind of products. We distribute all over the world, distribution in over 30 different countries now. We started out years ago. I think we got our first Gorbel crane, and the products just are good quality, they work, and they seem to keep coming up with solutions. As we grow, come out with new products. Our products get more complex, they get heavier. We need ways to provide a safe work environment for our employees and to handle these products, and they always seem to come up with a good solution for it. It's surprising how many different areas of the company we use that product. It makes life easier for our employees, makes it safer.
The Gorbel system definitely helps lift some of the heavy parts we have here at Liberty Pumps. Some of them weigh as much as 60 to 70 pounds. So lifting those all day using the Gorbel system definitely helps my job, making it much easier.
They make a great product with the ease of the product, the well construction with the enclosed track, and how well the bridges move without wanting to bind and get off track from side to side on long spans is, I think, the best in the industry. And the G-Force product is very innovative and very effective in certain applications. So it's a well-received, well-liked product. You saw Gorbel systems in several areas of manufacturing, everything from the machine shop to the paint line to the areas of assembly. Our engineered pump systems department also uses the overhead there. Everything from workstation cranes, jib cranes, and the G-Force. We produce very high-quality products, ones that provide solutions for customers, and I think Gorbel does the exact same thing. Their products are very high quality. They're built here locally, and I think that's a real similarity between our two companies.